Toronto is grappling with the aftermath of its largest single-day snowstorm on Sunday, January 25, 2026, which saw nearly 60 centimetres of snow blanket parts of the GTA. Downtown Toronto received up to 61 centimetres, while Pearson Airport recorded 46 centimetres, contributing to a new all-time monthly snowfall record for January. The unprecedented snowfall caused extensive disruptions on Monday. Schools and many daycares across the GTHA were closed, and public transit, including the TTC subway and GO Transit, experienced major service suspensions and delays. Pearson Airport operations were significantly impacted, leading to numerous flight cancellations and a projected multi-day recovery. Hazardous driving conditions resulted in hundreds of collisions. The City of Toronto declared a major snowstorm condition, prohibiting parking on snow routes, and anticipates cleanup efforts will span several days. Mayor Olivia Chow stated roads are passable and military assistance is not required. A cold alert is in effect, with wind chills near -25°C expected. Most schools and garbage collection are slated to resume on Tuesday.